to become an internationally recognized aircraft maintenance engineer. If you would prefer to become a mechanic, come gain new perspectives in comprehensive aircraft maintenance with us by enrolling in the Aircraft Maintenance Engineer License course of the Civil Aviation Training Center. You will receive aircraft mechanic competency-based training and assessments, and you will have the opportunity to practice on actual aircraft. We are sponsored by a network of partners of the Civil Aviation Training Center, which is a ground mechanic training center with over 60 years of continuous experience, and also the first to be certified in accordance with international standards by the Civil Aviation Authority of Thailand, or CAAT, and which operates on its behalf in providing skill tests of Thai Aircraft Maintenance Engineer and Thai Aircraft Maintenance Engineer License applicants. In addition, we also offer Aeroplane Piston Refresher, or APR, for those who would like to renew their Aircraft Maintenance Engineer License from the Civil Aviation Authority of Thailand. Join us now and make your dream come true.